The circulation desk workflows have been redesigned to leverage a more streamlined process for managing patron services and returning items. Please note, the following updates are currently opt-in. You can turn them on by clicking on your user icon on the persistent menu and click Feature Rollout Preferences. Here you can toggle on the new circulation desk UI. Alma will reload and the feature will be enabled. Let's start by opening a patron account. You'll go to Fulfillment, Manage Patron Services. Type in or search for the patron and click Go. When their account opens, you'll see that things have been rearranged. The left column has information boxes that can be reordered, and you can resize the column if needed. The information here lets you see the patron's active balance and a Pay button to apply a payment, as well as system and user notes. When you click on the Row Action menu at the top of the column, you have a number of options for managing their record, editing their patron roles, sending reports, and receipts. Clicking Quick User Management opens a sliding pane with their user record. Here you can make changes as needed to their record. Click Update User when you're done to return to their account. You can easily navigate between pages in a patron account using the buttons in the left column. The Loans page allows you to see items checked out to the patron, as well as check out new items by entering or searching for a barcode. If you don't see all of the patron's loans, change Filter By to All. You can sort items by dates, status, library, and title. Each item has a brief summary including the title, author, barcode, loan date, and due date. There are also easily identifiable labels to show if an item is overdue, has fines, etc. You can use the view icons to switch between the table and record views. This changes the screen to show either a table with limited information for easy comparison or a brief view of each of the items. You can also toggle between list and split screen view. This changes to display a list of the results with a brief summary of information, or split screen, which shows the results and the details side pane side by side. Click on the double left arrow icon on the Details pane to expand to full page view. Please note that depending on your screen resolution, you may not have the split screen option available. When you click on a record, it will open in full page view. Click the double right arrow to return to split screen. When a record is open, you can easily navigate between information sections, including summary, loan information, item information, and notes. Click the Returns button in the left column. Here you can see all the returns the patron has made, which can be sorted by barcode, library, return date, and title. Just as on the Loans page, there are labels to see if an item was overdue when returned, and/or if it has fines. Once again, if a title is open in split screen or full page view, there are sections to help navigate the available information. The sections here are the same as the Loans page, with the addition of return information. Next, click the Requests button to go to the Requests page. Here you can see all requests for the patron, including their place in queue. As with loans and returns, when you open an item, there will be easily navigable sections, including a brief item summary, request information, request processing information, and item information. You can easily make changes to the request if needed by clicking Edit. A sliding pane will open over the patron's account with the request form. Click Submit if you make any changes, and you will return to the patron's account. And there's a notification that the request was successfully updated. You can click the X to return to the list view. In addition to the active balance and accrued fines that are always visible on the column on the left, you can click the Fines and Fees button to see all outstanding fines and fees that the patron has. Here you can apply a payment to a specific fine by clicking Pay under the cost, or check one or more and click Pay Selected. If no fines or fees are selected, you can apply a specified amount to the total balance. You can customize what is displayed on any page for your Alma login by clicking the Customize cogwheel icon. Click the corresponding area you want to customize and check or uncheck what you would like to display. Click Apply to save your changes. If you have the necessary administrator roles and privileges, you can set customizations page options for all users at your institution. When you've completed the transactions for a patron, click Done to close their account. In addition to patron services, the returns workflow has been optimized as well. Go to Fulfillment, Return Items. As before, you'll scan in or locate the item you are returning. You can still choose an override return date and time, if needed, and then click OK. However, now you'll see there is more detailed information about the return, including basic item information, and the next step for the item. There is also a link to view brief information about the patron who returned the item. You can once again change the views by toggling the icons, and you can export a list of your returns by clicking Export to Excel. From this page, you can also place a work order on the item, which opens a sliding pane over your list of returns instead of navigating you away from the returns page. In the Row Action menu, there are also options to change return date and view the loan history of the item. When you click on an item, an information drawer will open with easy-to-navigate sections, including a summary of the item, return information, loan information, item information, and notes. Click the Back to List arrow to go back to your list of returned items. The Manage Patron Services link will take you to the patron's current loans list. However, please note that when you click this, you will be navigated away from the returns page. When you return, your list of returns will be cleared.